Let's be real. You've got things to do, an assignment, a project, a workout, but instead you're scrolling, watching, avoiding. Sound familiar? Most people think procrastination means you're lazy, but here's the truth. It's not laziness, it's fear, resistance, the way your brain tricks you. And breaking it is easier than you think. Think about the last time you procrastinated. You told yourself, I'll start later. But later never came. Then the guilt kicked in. The deadline got closer, the stress piled up, and suddenly you're pulling an all-nighter. Or worse, giving up. Procrastination is like a snowball. Small at first, but the more it rolls, the bigger it gets. Stress, guilt, shame. But here's the secret. You don't need to melt the whole snowball. You just need to stop it from rolling. The hardest part of any task is the start. That's why step 1 is the 2-minute rule. Promise yourself, I'll just do this for 2 minutes. Open the laptop, write 1 sentence, do 1 push-up. 2 minutes feels so small, your brain doesn't fight it. But once you start, momentum kicks in. 2 minutes turn into 20. And even if it doesn't, you still moved forward. That's progress. Step 2, break it small. Your brain hates big goals like write a paper or get fit. Too overwhelming. So shrink it. Open a blank doc, write the title, type the first sentence. Each action is tiny, almost too easy. But stack enough of them and the big task is done. Think of micro actions like Lego blocks. Small, simple, but together, they build something massive. Step 3, reframe resistance. Most people think procrastination means you're weak. Wrong. It's actually your brain trying to protect you. Every new task feels uncomfortable, so your brain says, let's avoid it. But here's the move. Call it out. Literally say, this is just resistance. Then take a micro action anyway. Do it enough and your brain learns, discomfort doesn't kill me. Action makes me stronger. Imagine your brain as a security guard. Big tasks, they look suspicious. The guard blocks them. But tiny actions, they look harmless. The guard waves them through. Do it enough times and the guard relaxes. Suddenly, big tasks don't look so scary anymore. So, let's recap. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's resistance. Beat it with 3 moves. The 2-minute rule, micro actions, and reframing resistance. 3 simple strategies, from procrastination to progress. If this hit home, subscribe to Sticksensie. Every week, stickman simple stories that make self-improvement fun and easy. Next video, how to build confidence, even if you feel worthless right now. Don't miss it. See you there.